Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into Crypto.com on desktop, step by step. So the tutorial today is how to log into Crypto.com on a desktop or laptop. First, open your web browser and go to the official Crypto.com website. From there, click on the login button at the top of the page. Next, choose whether you're logging into the Crypto.com exchange or another Crypto.com service. For most desktop users, this will be the Crypto.com exchange. Enter the email address you used to create your Crypto.com account and submit it. Crypto.com will then send a login confirmation email to that address. Open the email from Crypto.com and click the login link inside. This step helps keep your account secure. After clicking the link, you may be prompted to complete additional security steps, such as two-factor authentication. Enter the required code to continue. Once that's done, you'll be logged into your Crypto.com account on desktop and can start trading, depositing, or managing your crypto from your computer. If this video helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel for more Crypto.com tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or want to see another guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.